Hi Cheska, thanks for talking with us today. We wanted to ask about last year's Christmas party that we held in our classroom. When you think back to that day, what was the best part during the Christmas party for you and why?
For me, the best part of our Christmas party is that when we band together, play together, like that, it was really so fun because it's the first time that I band with my classmates because back then, before the Christmas party, I'm not that much talking, bonding, playing with my classmates. So, on Christmas party, I sulit talaga.
How do you think this party brought the class closer together?
I think when we played together, because on that day, all of us was convinced to join all the games. So, some of us really did not expect that it was so fun. So, I became comfortable to my classmates when we played together because it was my first time also to bond with my classmates. I was thinking, on my mind that time, I was thinking, oh, they were really so sweet, that so good, like that. So, some others also feel the same with me, like being comfortable with others.
What does celebrating Christmas with classmates mean to you, especially this?
For me, it was a special day because that is the first time that I bond with my classmates.